Hello doctors and practice managers. In this short video, we are going to talk about how to make internet your best friend. Now, the basic thing is to make internet your best friend, you need a good working, continuously live website. And that means that your website should be interesting, it should be communicative, it should be user friendly, it should be responsive. The other side of the internet, obviously the big one, is the social media. And what you need is a good social media presence in terms of either your Facebook page or your LinkedIn profile. You need it to be authentic, having your own signature. You need to be continuously putting the post on it. Now, of course, there are a lot of regulations around how you can use your website, what you can say on the social media, what you can't, and how you can use the social media. And all those things we cover in our marketing course in depth. But that's just a bit of a precursor about it, how to make internet your best friend when it comes to medical marketing. Thank you for watching.